All right, guys, today we're gonna break down pop tosses, okay? So a pop toss is just up and down. It's the one that we did yesterday at the end of our choreography. So what's really important to think about is that your hands want to move at the same speed. So you think of it like this. Your flag is a car. Your left hand is going to be the gas pedal, right? So the faster you move your left hand, the faster the flag is going to move. That's that pull down. Okay, this is where all the strength comes from. Your right hand is going to be like the steering wheel. So we want that flag to go straight up, which means our fingertips have got to go straight up as we release this, okay? So if you're here, what you want to do first is practice doing just your hands. You want to go straight down, straight up. And what you should be looking for is that left hand to slap your thigh, okay? You want this to move fast, okay? So we go 5, 6, 7, squeeze. We squeeze the flag on count 8, okay? And then you go out. So you're gonna say squeeze out. So 5, 6, 7, squeeze out, okay? And you wanna give yourself the best base. So the best base is gonna be a second position right now. So we're going 5, 6, 7, squeeze out, right? With the flag in your hand, what you're going to look for is the flag to go up, up, catch. So the flag has checkpoints in the air too, so I'm going to back up so you can see. I'm going to say up, up, catch. And when I say up, the flag silk is going to be up in the air. 5, 6, 7, squeeze, up, catch. Okay? You want to catch this with your left hand under and your right hand over. And that tab where the flag meets the pole is in the center of our body. Up, up, catch. Catching flat right there, okay? If I did it facing the back, it would look like this. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, squeeze, up, up, catch. All right? A good way to practice this is to practice pushing down but not letting go of the flag. And what your goal is to have that flag release straight up. So right now, this would be my release point. My flag is straight up, okay? Let's talk about our right hand a little bit more though. So wherever your right hand goes, that's where the flag is gonna go, right? So if my right hand goes this way, that's the direction my flag's gonna go. Watch. Okay? Same thing applies. If my right hand goes this way, that's the direction my flag is going to go. All right. Now, this also applies to forward and back. So if your flag is consistently going forward, that's because your right hand looks like this underneath. Okay? You want to make sure that that hand is as straight up and down as possible so that flag goes straight up and straight down. All right? Especially if we have to go outside. If the wind is blowing this way and your hand is going that way already, good luck, okay? So we're looking for straight up. So left hand pushing down, right hand pushing up. And the goal is to catch the silk on the left side of our body. So 5, 6, 7, squeeze, and up, up, catch. Now, we talked about the right hand. What happens if I don't use any left hand? If I don't use that push down? Well, then your flag starts to look like this. That has no rotation to it. So again, if your flag isn't getting all the way around, you need more left hand. If your flag is going all kinds of different directions, you need to check where your right hand is in space. So again, a good way to go about that is to air flag. Straight line paths, okay? Another way you can think about this is the elevators, like pretend you're in like some really fancy hotel that has like those glass elevators that you can see going up and down. Okay, and your left hand's on the penthouse and your right hand's at the lobby, okay? And those have to switch, but they have to pass through each other at the same time, okay? So this elevator can't go down, up, okay? And this one can't go up, down. They both have to pass through each other at the same time. Out, quickly, all right? Let's do this from behind so you can see what I look like. So again, my right hand is over at the tab, my left hand is over at the bottom tape. I'm in a good, strong second position, my posture looks great, and I'm going to throw 8 pockets. Ready? 5, flat, and then throw another one, okay? 5, 6, 7, squeeze, up, up. All right? Now you may throw this and you may get one that's really, really good and you're like celebrating, you're jumping up and down. Make sure that as soon as you throw one that you know is really, really good, you throw another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Because the only way you're gonna get consistent at these tosses is by repetition, okay? So don't throw one and be like, oh good, I can do it, and then don't throw another one again, all right? You have to be able to execute this every single time. 5, 6, 7, squeeze, 1 and 2 and 3, okay? Up and catch is what you're looking for. Again, facing the back, 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, squeeze, up and up. We'll continue to expand upon that toss and then others in the future.